Weather Bulletin. For the following counties in Ohio: Belmont, Guernsey, Monroe and Noble, and Marshall, West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Belmont County in east-central Ohio, southeastern Guernsey County in east-central Ohio, northern Monroe County in east-central Ohio, northeastern Noble County in east-central Ohio, Marshall County in northern West Virginia, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Barnesville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: $half-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Moundsville, Bel Air, Barnesville, Shadyside, McMicken, Powhatan Point, Glendale, Benwood, Bethesda, Quaker City, Belmont, Bealsville, Clarington, Morristown, Neff, Jerusalem, Salesville, Wilson, Caledonia and Somerton. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing large hail. Weather Bulletin.